Live.
Oh, we're live.
Wow.
We are live with your daily dark news. Yeah.
You're a fucking dork. You know that? Are you aware of that?
Is that why you like me?
No.
It's not the dorky aspect, huh?
It does not. I'm gonna play this song. Woo! I got a lot to tell you.
Yeah?
Uh-huh. You're gonna love it. You're gonna fucking love it.
I have an idea, and the smile on your face just tells me everything.
Oh, really? We'll see.
Trap stocks,
Yeah.
smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in the head like so feared not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murders on this track to try and rock your socks. Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in the head like so feared not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murders on this track to try and rock your socks.
Good morning, you beautiful stoners. Welcome to Terp Stocks. It is May 3rd, 2021, and my name is David.
I'm Brian. What's up?
And Brian, tell everybody what we're doing here today.
Oh, we are bridging gaps, baby. Crypto, stock, comedy, cannabis. Gaps being bridged.
Being bridged with yo daily news. Wasn't sure if you heard Brian call me a dork earlier, but it's true. We want to give a huge shout out to Mad Terp Labs and Green Farm dispensaries. You guys get us high every day, and we love it. Thank you so much. Go check out one of these terp sticks, Mesa, Flagstaff, and Brian, who else do we got?
We have Cheat Code Algorithm, recently featured on Yahoo Business. You know them. We love them. They're an algorithm that helps you trade the stock market. You use it on tradingview.com. It sends very clear buy and short signals. It's fantastic. Check the link below in the description. You can get a discount on the algorithm, and you can also, if you choose to, sign up for their paid Discord. A lot of great information in there. Check them out. Cheat Code Algo.
Yeah. Yes, they do. And thank you for Twan Murder for our theme song. And please like, comment, and subscribe.
And
All
join
right,
the Discord. Our Discord's
And
free.
join the Discord.
Our Discord's free.
right.
Always free. Forever free.
All right, Brian, that smile's on your face. I know you have something to tell me. What happened this weekend?
Well, first of all, I just want to say the first annual Classic Comedy Classic Festival is now a wrap. Yay! It was great. Most of the shows were sold out. It was
great.
Yeah, it was a first for our festivals. That's for sure.
Fuck yeah! People are coming out. This is great.
It was great. Also, low key, crazy busy place all weekend because we were at Westgate in Glendale.
Okay.
The comedy club is right next to one of those axe throwing places. Dude,
Yep.
it was like you needed to know somebody to get in there at certain times. That place was fucking packed. It was wild. During the day, they were just chilling or whatever. But then, 6 o'clock hit, and I kept looking. Every time I looked over, there was just a line to get in. I was like, this is fucking wild. All night. It was crazy.
Aggressive ass people. It's so funny that my mom wanted to take me back last week. I'm like, Mom, I really don't want to. I just want to sit here and drink. Is that okay? She's like, you really don't want to go throw an axe? I'm like, nah.
People like throwing bladed weapons, dude.
I know, apparently. Anger. These angry people. That's so funny.
See, that's the thing. Those rage rooms, too, where you, break shit, people love those. It's like, you just need to get that, primal aggression out of you, you know?
All right, so, how else did the show go? What's going on? Tell me some funny shit, because I know some shit went down.
Yeah, so, first of all, I got so many comments on my cutoff game. It was unreal. Obviously, I'm just wearing a regular tank top, but because the thing that really put it over is I wore a cutoff just about every day because it's fucking hot now. I don't want sleeves. Why are you wearing sleeves? What are you doing? It's crazy.
Exactly.
So, I'm just producing the festival, so I'm just wearing cutoffs until I have to go up on stage. And people are like, whatever. But then the last day, I got my Cactus Comedy Classic shirt, and then I literally, just, boom, folded that bitch in half, cut the sleeves off, made a cutoff in, a minute and a half in the green room. I'm walking around with it, and people are like, where'd you get that cutoff? I was like, I made it. Oh. Yeah, they're like, you made that? The best compliment I got, okay, was from festival winner Jessica Insera, who congratulations, is incredibly funny. I called it that she was going to win as soon as I saw her do her first set. She's incredibly funny and also a lesbian, and that matters for this part of the story. Because after she won, I'm wearing my cutoff, and she just stopped me, and she's just like, how do you have such a good cutoff game? And I was like, do you want me to tell you the details of it? You know what I mean? And she said, absolutely. And I told her, I was like, you gotta, like, if you want it perfect, you gotta iron it. I couldn't do that, but you gotta fold it over, just make sure the sleeves match up, cut both sleeves at the same time, like on the inside of the seam, past the sleeve, and then go as deep as you want. And she was just like, that is incredible. Your cutoff game is amazing. Which means something because she's a lesbian. That's like a black guy giving you a compliment on your shoes, okay? You walk. I was walking tall, baby. I was walking so tall. I was like, oh, yeah. Thank you, festival winner lesbian, for giving me a compliment on my cutoff game. I felt so good.
That is so funny.
Oh, I can't hear you. What happened?
Oh no! What happened?
You're back. You're just getting some technical issues today on your side. Can you talk real quick?
All right, that sucks.
No, you're good.
Can you hear me now, baby?
Yeah.
Oh, for people that don't know, everybody back home, cutoffs galore. You have to wear a cutoff. It's a thing. You take your old T-shirt, you cut your sleeves off it, and bam, you got a brand new T-shirt.
It puts new life into it.
Yeah, fucking awesome.
Okay, and then I have one more story for you. This is the one you're gonna love.
Okay. All right, I love it. Keep going.
On Saturday, there was a water park trip scheduled over at Six Flags Hurricane Harbor, and I was on the fence about going. And then I picked up Chip Nicholson, one of the other comedians, and I was talking to him. I was like, hey, are you going to go to the water park? And he was just like, no, that seems like where you get COVID. And I was like, that's a really good point. That's a very, very valid point. I don't think I'm going to go to the water park. So I was just like, forget it. Friday, we have a cookout. Again, Saturday is water park day. Friday, we have a cookout. We're sitting there, we're chilling, and my boy Matt Walker, he's just like, so you gonna go to the water park tomorrow? And I was like, nah, I don't think so. And he's like, do you want to do mushrooms at the water park tomorrow? And I was like, yep, absolutely.
You're so funny.
Yep.
You're so funny.
So
and how was that experience?
The best decision I've made in a long time.
God.
Yeah, we fucking... Okay, so, like, he made, like, mushroom tea, and we just swigged it in the parking lot. He said it was, like, maybe 2 grams. So, like, it wasn't... We didn't, like, trip balls, We got a festival to produce, but we had to wait. We're waiting for other people to get there, and then we're waiting in line, and I was like, not feeling great. I walked through the entrance of that water park into a brand new world. You know what I mean? It was like, it's a whole new world. It was amazing. So, the first slide, we're going up. We didn't tell anybody in the group that we ate mushrooms. There's like one woman there who's kind of naggy, so we're like, we don't want to tell her. We're going up. We're going up the slide, and then like you go up the line, and then it splits off into two slides. And the naggy one's like, we want to go on the safe one. And we're like, me and Matt are going on the one that looks like a fucking half pipe. You know what I mean? Like, that one looks like a blast. So we go to get on, and they're like, the two of you just can't go on because it's just me and Matt. So we just have to find, like, a single or a double for you. And we're like, okay. They yell down, anybody single or double? Oh, we got two. So me and Matt are waiting up there. They bring these 2 under 8-year-old black kids. They're like the tiniest.
My God, I love it.
Tiniest kids I've ever seen. I was like, this is so fucking funny. And they're like, yeah, we're cool. They sit us down. We're all sitting in there. This big fucking raft. You have to sit down, crisscross applesauce, And then the attendant. By the way, the park just opened up. This is like one of the first, like we're pretty early. Yeah. And the attendant goes, has everybody been to this park before? And Matt just goes, we've all been here.
Oh my God.
Like right off the bat. And we're all, like, me and the 2 kids are all like, well, don't fuck with Dad. And so they're like, okay, all right, you're good to go. The conveyor belt pushes us off, right? And then we go down, and it goes down a little turn. I'm tripping my ball. I'm like tripping on trips. And I turn to the two little kids, and I go, he's lying! We've never been here before!
You guys are fucking wild. Oh my god.
Dude, I fucking died. I was dying laughing. I'm cackling. We come down the slide, and the rest of the group is like, we could hear you giggling the whole way down, and I could not help it. It was so funny.
Oh my god. What a fucking story that is.
It's a pretty good one, right?
My weekend was nothing compared to that.
I still want to hear about. I'm sorry to yap your ear off, but I figured you'd like everything I had to say about it.
No, that's fan. You had one hell of a weekend.
It was a great weekend. I'm not gonna lie. It's one of the better ones I've had in a minute.
Oh god, you had me crying. I have to wipe my eyes right now.
What'd you get into this weekend?
I did absolutely nothing besides gamble on sports. I did fucking nothing.
Damn, dude.
Smoke.
Did you win some money?
I did win some money. I did like a random bet too. I bet like $25 on the Celtics because they were down by 30 just for shits and giggles, and they came back and won. I was like, oh, okay. Yeah, so I had like a plus $700 odd, but if I waited like 2 more minutes, it went up to like 2,500. So I could have made like, $500 if I just waited like another minute or two, just like with stocks. I did the live betting, so it's kind of like the same thing.
Yeah, you showed me that. I think it was the UFC. The live betting's pretty wild.
Yeah, I love it. I fucking love it. I do it with everything because, like, no matter what game I'm watching and what time period it is, I can somehow gamble on it. So it's fun.
Yep.
All right, let's get into stocks because this is a fucking stock show. Brian, how does the morning look?
Super green in the crypto world. Like,
yeah,
I didn't even realize how green it was. Okay, I have to tell you, yesterday, I talked about it a little bit in the Discord this morning, but yesterday, DOGE was at like 39 cents or whatever, and my average is much lower than that. And I saw it, and I was just like, I'm going to sell my DOGE. I'm up. I made like $300.
Really? You sold it?
I did. I sold it. Hang on, I'm not done. But I sold it. I made like $300 on it. You know, and I was up like...
Great.
I was up like 250%, and it was like the second or third time that I'd seen that. I was like, I just need to... I'm going to capitalize on this. I'm not done with DOGE at all. But I really figured I would be able to buy back in this morning because for the last like 3 weeks, maybe 2-3 weeks, it's like it rallies on Friday. Once Robinhood gets closed down, everybody dumps all their money into the DOGE. They play DOGE over the weekend, and then it like normally goes down on Monday. Today is the exception.
Not this Monday.
Yeah,
not today.
I could have easily made like another, probably like $40. I didn't have that many. It's only, I sold it at 39. It was at 41 the last I checked.
Yeah, it's at 41 right now.
But
and it's staying there. It's not fucking moving.
Ethereum is, I didn't even realize, Ethereum's over 3K. Where the fuck did that come from?
3250. I have a little thing that we're going to talk about Ethereum in a little bit, but 3250. If anything, I'm long on Ethereum over Bitcoin.
Yeah, I know, which is crazy because you had Ethereum a while ago and you sold it for a pittance.
Yeah, I think I sold them when they were like 620, something like that, something stupid like that. So I made like a small profit, made like $150 profit on Ethereum, fucking in September.
That's wild.
October.
Yeah, I was hanging out with Crypto Daddy Mark over the weekend. He's got a good chunk of Ethereum, and his portfolio was at an all-time high on Saturday, and is certainly even higher today.
Oh man, I can only fucking imagine. All you have to do is hold, and I just can't listen to my fucking. It's all right. It's all right. How does everything else look?
In the crypto world?
Nah, just everything.
Oh,
just like
everything else. Stocks.
Stock.
All my stocks are red. I don't know about yours.
Red.
Yeah. I'm seeing here that you're saying OCGN is green.
Yeah, it was up a lot more. It definitely came down a little bit since I started writing the article.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, OCGN.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
They might vaccine shit getting pushed further, huh?
There was that one, and then look at Playboy, PLBY. It's like it was up like 8%. It's just not. It's on the rise again.
It's so silly.
It's so crazy. Like we had it when it was $10. We're like, oh no, this is whatever.
Yeah.
and then it fucking shot to 50.
But yeah, we had it at, well, I never owned it, but we had it on the radar at $10, which was a month ago. It was March 30th.
Yeah, 2 months at the beginning of March. Yeah.
Okay, beginning of March, 10. But I mean, still, dude, the end of March it was at $14.96. Still up $40 fucking dollars.
I know. In 1 fucking month. Like,
it's so silly.
It's on our watch list, but we don't fucking pull the trigger on it.
It's just a little ridiculous. I'm not gonna lie.
On the opposite side, the shit that's going down, type in MNMD.
MNMD. Is that the psilocybin?
Yeah. It's backed by Kevin O'Leary. So they rung the bell and everything last week in New York.
Oh, you can't do that. That's how you get shorted.
Bro, $3.36 right now. Is this a good time to buy, or do you think this is going to fucking $2?
No, you're gonna see that's going down. Look at that.
Really?
Look at that bounce trajectory. That's a straight down. And then look, you'll have a little. It'll probably kick back up to like 4 before it goes.
Well, how is this so shitty though? Wouldn't people be excited? And plus, it's so cheap.
No. This is
What?
you have to think about. Okay. Right now, psilocybin is legal in Oregon and like kinda sorta in California. So there's just no market for it. You know, like you're investing in a company that's just going like, in a few years we're hoping to get legalization. This is like when weed started. You know, there's not enough. If there were like 5, 10 states or whatever on it, then yeah, you'd see a little bit of a pop before it shit the bed like weed did, and then a rise. But dude, this is not. That other the Compass, is it Compass that also has the psilocybin?
I was not aware of that.
There's two companies that deal with psilocybin, and the other one's like it trades fairly high.
Oh, I think it's SKY. I have it on the watch list. It's at 263.
It's Compass, CMPS. It's right below.
Well, I have another one up there too.
Okay.
Yeah, right below it, CMPS. All right, want to get into the stories for today?
Did we buy anything, Dave?
I did.
Of course you did. You fucking
I
degenerate.
did. I can't fucking stay patient. So this on Friday before close, I bought 3 Workhorse $21 calls that expire on June 18th. Mm-hmm. So at least they are a little bit further out and they're further cheap. My rule is I'm not going to be buying options that's more than $100. I wanted to buy at least 3 for $100 for options and let them play with that. So I bought 3.
Cool.
It fucking sank.
It what?
It sank.
And didn't you also sell your Doge for a loss in order to buy these options? Was that part of the story too?
I did.
Why?
I sure fucking did.
We've gone over this so many times.
Yeah,
How do you do it?
Thinking, I don't know. I don't I know I don't know. But
you're giving me shit about selling my Doge for profit. For $300 profit. And how could you do that? You sold yours for a loss.
I know, it was like $110 loss, I think it was.
I made 4 times as much as that.
Yeah, it's funny. Well, the whole EV sector took a huge fucking hit. So everything is fucking low. Look at all the stocks that are below $12, bro. This is the EV, just talking EV.
Okay, I have to find the EV section.
It's right up top. We're talking Fisker, Nikola. We're talking Helion. We're talking Workhorse. Arrival's doing really well, surprisingly. You know, EV Go, Ride.
It's a lot of red. A lot of red.
A lot of $10. And then Biden still wants everything to be EV friendly in the next 10 years or so. So why are these red?
The market is like surprisingly green for how red everything is.
Bro, FinViz is a lie.
Forget pre-market. FinViz is the real liar.
Put that on a T-shirt, right? They really are, though. But, all right, let's get into the notes. Brian, you got the first note today, baby.
Okay, give me a second. Whew. eBay CEO says, looking at cryptocurrency as payment option. CNBC. Way to be late to the game, eBay. I honestly thought they could do that a while ago.
Came out today.
eBay is looking at new payment options for customers, including cryptocurrency. CEO Jamie Lanone said in a CNBC interview on Monday. The e-commerce firm is also exploring ways to get into the business of non-fungible tokens, Lanone said. Well, better late than never.
I think that's pretty fucking badass.
Mm-hmm.
You have all these kids that have all these crypto wallets. Oh, which I do have something for you.
Okay.
All right, so I downloaded Celsius.
Celsius.
Did you get the reward?
It takes like 2 weeks.
Okay.
Yeah. Did you fund your account?
Yeah, I tried. So I transferred some money from my Bovada account to Celsius, and then I'm in the process. I think I'm linking it up to my Coinbase.
Yeah.
So I can convert that to cash or just play it or something, which I would like to just convert it to cash.
Why don't you just hold it in your Celsius wallet and make money off of it?
Yeah, I don't know. Because I need to like.
No, you don't need to. You need to learn how to fucking behave. You could I'm giving you the golden ticket to actually making money, and you're gonna lose it all.
No. So what I'm doing, my strategy now, is whatever I make.
Hey, look I need to tell you something. You are bad at trading the stock market.
Well, like whatever I make in sport betting goes right into the Celsius account.
Yeah, and leave it there.
Yeah, I will.
No, you won't.
I'll probably keep it in Ethereum or something stupid like that.
No, Mark's making all of his fucking money on just holding on to something.
I know.
That's all you have to do.
I know. I've learned that the hard way. I understand.
You have not learned anything.
I understand. Well, I clearly was itching, and I needed to do something last week, which was just like a small thing.
That means you have an addiction.
Well, no.
If you can't literally just wait a couple days to make money, and you have an itch, you need to do something, you have a problem.
No, because I have IZEA. I'm long on IZEA. I just refuse to touch it.
What are you talking about?
What do you mean? I'm long on IZEA. I have 2,000 shares of IZEA just sitting there.
Congratulations. What about everything fucking else?
Well, because I wanted to play a little bit something on the side because I'm sick of fucking looking at it, waiting for IZEA to pop.
Then stop looking at it. Go do push-ups. Go do squats with your weak-ass knees.
Fuck you, Ryan.
God, you gotta strengthen your hands and your knees and everything. Christ.
I can't have diamond hands. I know. I can't. All right, let me get to the fucking next one. All right, let's get into the next story. I don't know who I was speaking about this with last week, but I had a really, really in-depth conversation about CROX.
Can you explain to me what you mean about an in-depth conversation about CROX?
I don't know. So I read this article today. I'm like, oh my god, this is fucking deja vu because I just had a conversation with somebody about this exact thing. So CROX fever is at an all-time high after stellar first quarter results. Ticker is CROX if you want to check that out real quick.
Okay, kitten almost knocked my bong over. Hey, cutie.
Oh, look at that fucking jump.
That is a jump.
And since 420. Since 420, less than 2 weeks ago, went up $25.
That's a nice little jump.
That's a nice fucking jump. Why is everything doing it besides IZEA? I don't understand. But in CROX first quarter earnings last week, revenue increased 64% to $460 million, representing the third quarter the company has achieved record revenues. CROX strong quarter one results prompted UBS to raise its price target of the casual shoemaker to $115, up from $91. Is that pushing $99.44 right now? Digital sales were also bright for CROX, growing 75%, which is fucking wild. And then from a channel perspective, global DTC revenues, which included revenues from e-commerce and the company-owned retail stores, grew 93%. Fucking wild.
That is wild. Why are CROX popping off so hard?
I don't. It said later in the article is that people wanted to dress more comfortable, and so people are buying more CROX.
Wow.
How much are CROX?
They're probably like $50. I don't know. Let's find out. I'll just open up a.
Type it in real quick. That's so wild because I've never in a million years would ever buy fucking CROX. Why can't you just wear fucking sandals? All right, yeah, $50, $30 to $50.
Oh, they're so ugly too.
Like, what's the appeal of the CROX over the sandal or the flip flop?
I think they are. Everybody that I know that owns Crocs says that they're very, very comfortable and that they actually have support. Sandals don't have support.
Sandals do not have support.
If I walk around in sandals too much, my sciatica flares up. I'm an old man.
Really?
Do you see my cat over here who just like won't
I
quit?
I see you kissing your cat.
She's just so fucking cute. I'm dying over here.
All right, you got the next one.
Okay. Are you gonna buy Crocs? Do you think you'll buy? Would you ever buy Crocs?
I'm not. I don't want to buy Crocs. I don't like Crocs.
Dude, Joelle's like really hip and fashionable, and she's way cooler than you. And she's gonna come home and be like, "Baby, I bought us Crocs. They match." And you're gonna be like, "Ah, all right." Then you're gonna be wearing Crocs, and then before you know it, you're gonna have like a fucking dumb Croc-related saying that you can tattoo on your inner thigh. I can't wait. Can't wait. It's happening.
All right, fuck you, and read the next one.
Payments company Flywire files to go public. FL under the ticker FLYW. Cool. Monday's filing revealed that the payments giant wants to list its shares on NASDAQ under the ticker FLYW. In addition, it has appointed Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Citigroup, and Bank of America Securities as the lead book running managers for the proposed public offering. That's some big shit right there. Okay, Kat.
Yeah, so it is on the watch list.
It is on
Actually,
the...
I can't even add it yet.
Yeah, it does not exist yet.
No, it does not exist yet.
Let's get this blank screen off. We'll look at Bitcoin. Sorry. Doge. The S1 form's been submitted after Flywire witnessed a revenue surge of around 28%, headquartered in Boston! Yes!
Yep.
Flywire was founded in 2011 and one of the heavily funded payment startups. That's very weirdly... It feels like you're missing a word there in that last sentence, and you made me go like...
No, it wasn't me. It wasn't me. Okay. But I believe it has something to do with, like, payment processing with credit cards.
Okay. What is Flywire? Let's look it up. I've never used it.
I clearly put that in there because of fucking Boston. Yeah, Flywire Payments Corporation. So it has this. Yeah, Flywire ensures high-value payments are delivered fast and friction-free. Friction-free. That's a hard word to say.
Yeah.
So organizations can deliver on their customers' most important moments.
Yeah, so this is like a payment platform for like colleges and shit. So this is processing high volume, both like transactions and, money. So that makes sense. It's like shit you and I would never use, but people that have businesses that are making a shit ton of money would use.
All right, I have some shit about Ethereum. As we mentioned earlier, that is over $3,000, which is fucking wild.
So crazy.
It is up over 325% this year. So far, easily outpacing a 95% rise in the more popular Bitcoin. So it outgrew Bitcoin 95%. Fucking wild. It also improvements to Ethereum blockchain. He said, what were you going to say?
No, keep going.
I lost where I was. I'm going to go to the next one. The launch of Ether exchange traded funds in Canada and surging demand for Ether wallets to transact non-fungible tokens, such as digital art, have been also pushed up by the price.
Okay, sorry, I should not... You took a break there, and I was just gonna, I tried to interject. So rude. So rude. I feel like a week ago you were like, I think Ethereum is better than Bitcoin. And yeah. I was like, what? And you kind of vaguely, you were like, it's like everything, Yeah, that was pretty much, you were like, I don't really know, but so I talked to Mark about it, and Ethereum, so Bitcoin doesn't do anything.
Nothing.
It's nothing.
Absolutely
It just has value. Whereas Ethereum is he was just it's basically the internet. It's like the thing that moves everything around, and that's why it's so valuable, and that's why what you're saying is it could be considered true. Bitcoin's gold, but Ethereum's the internet. What's more valuable, gold or the internet? I would venture to say it's probably the internet at this point. Yeah, it'll be interesting. I don't know, It would be really interesting to see what happens to Ethereum. Could you imagine a day where it overtakes Bitcoin? That'd be fucking wild.
Which I would not be surprised if Bitcoin falls, you know, what, to like 40,000 and fucking Ethereum's going to be at fucking 15, 3 months. I wouldn't doubt it. I think Ethereum's the way to go. Like, yeah, it's the ether that pushes everything around. Like I said, the internet gets everywhere. Wild. So maybe we should just, maybe that's will be my Celsius is just strictly Ethereum. Sport bets, Ethereum.
Maybe. Ethereum's probably not a bad idea. And just hold it in your wallet. They give you interest on it.
Fucking hold it.
Get this.
I think it was 6%, right?
It was what?
6%?
I think it's something like that.
It's fucking high.
I know, and it gets paid weekly. You don't get 6% weekly. You get 1/52nd of 6%, whatever that is.
That's wild.
Like, not to brag or anything, but when I started getting into crypto, I just did all of the learning stuff on Coinbase. And one of the things they did is they're like, open up they have like a Coinbase wallet rather than a Coinbase account.
Yeah.
And they give you like $3 of Ethereum and then like $3 of US dollar coin. And they only give you that Ethereum so that you can power the interest you get on the US dollar coin. I've made 11 cents on the US dollar coin. And that $3 of Ethereum is now $33.38. So it's literally gone up. It's gone up 10 times since I was given $3 of it. It's crazy.
Yeah. Yep, that might be the way to go.
What if I just forget about it and in 10 years I look at it, I'm like, why is this Ethereum worth $86,000?
Bro, I'm fully on board with crypto now. I'm just convinced. I'm convinced now.
Yeah.
It's everywhere. It's not going anywhere.
Nope.
So,
yeah, it's not going to get taken away.
Nope. So I'm totally convinced. I'm pro crypto now. I was so anti because I got fucked on the graph.
Yeah.
Which
if you had just held it, you would have made a shit ton of money.
Yeah,
it like doubled.
Yeah, tripled. But that's not here nor there. Brian, you got the last one.
Verizon to offload Yahoo AOL for $5 billion to Apollo. What is Apollo?
I have Apollo right at the bottom.
Okay.
It's a global alternative investment manager firm.
Okay, interesting. Let's see. Let's look at Verizon, see how that's doing.
Yeah, VZ is the ticker.
VZ 5813, and then Apollo 5551. Interesting.
They're both pretty much the same.
Having written $4.6 billion off the value of the businesses in 2018, Verizon will get just $4.25 billion in cash from private equity firm Apollo Global, along with preferred interest of $750 million and a 10% stake in the unit, about half of what it paid for the businesses. So basically what I'm reading here between the lines is a couple of years ago, Verizon bought Yahoo and AOL for $10 billion, and now they're dabbing it and selling it for half. I like it. Great move, Verizon. Yep. They got to cut their losses, get billions before Apollo sells it for millions. I like it.
Yep.
The move concludes a steady drip of deals, which saw Verizon sell blogging platform Tumblr in 2019 for an undisclosed sum, and news website Huffington Post to BuzzFeed last year. That explains why Tumblr died. Tumblr used to be like one of the best places to get porn, and then it was just like, not anymore. For Apollo, the deal comes at a time when the big internet platforms have sewn up huge portions of the digital advertising market, drawing regulatory scrutiny over their practices. Interesting. And then Verizon's media portfolio also includes online brands such as TechCrunch, Makers, Riot, and Flurry, according to its website. It reported revenue of $1.9 billion in the first quarter of 2021.
Weird.
Yeah.
Like, why would they sell it?
They didn't sell the stuff that was making money. They sold AOL and Yahoo.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you're right. All right. Yes, that's your daily news.
Yeah. Interesting.
Yeah. Stock news. Crypto up. Stocks down. That's pretty much all you need to know about today.
Yeah. And then I don't know if you've been following along, but hang on, I'm gonna get off that. Elon Musk is gonna be on Saturday Night Live this weekend.
Yeah, buddy. On the 8th, I actually can't wait for that.
And I mean, like, you'll probably see DOGE continue to get action this week. People are speculating. Actually, I think he said that there's going to be something like Dogecoin related in his Saturday Night Live appearance. So get ready to trade DOGE this weekend. I got capital right. I'm looking to make some flips. That'll be fun.
Yep.
I freed up some capital.
17 more days until I get my day trades back.
17 more days until Dave loses money at an even more startling pace.
No, I just
you're only going to have 3 of them. You're below 25K.
Yeah, well, no, but still, it's so easy to like find something running and then like take your money out and like 10 months later and just take that profit and do that time 3 times a week.
Well, Mark, this day is something that I can go back on and be like, do you remember when you said it was so easy to do this?
It was so easy.
Yeah, okay. If it's so easy, how'd you lose all your fucking day trades? I haven't been putting time out.
Oh, yeah, because, immediately, right below you're 25, they put you in timeout, yeah. I'm like, that, oh, shit. And then the bear market happens. But, please like, subscribe, and join our fucking Discord. It's funny. A lot of gifts, stoner talk. Everyone's making money. It's fun. And then they all make fun of me for losing mine. So it's a win-win for everybody.
It is pretty, yeah.
Maybe go buy some Crocs this week.
I don't know about that. Oh, dude, I bought rollerblades. Did I tell you?
No, you didn't.
I bought rollerblades yesterday.
Look at you. You gonna play some hockey? Some street hockey?
I think so. Yeah.
It's fun, right? Matt probably plays hockey.
Matt does play hockey.
Yeah.
I texted him that I got rollerblades, and I was like, I'm thinking about getting a stick just to like fuck around, do like just play around with a stick and a ball in the front. And he was like, oh, I got one you can borrow. And I was like, great, that's amazing.
I fucking love that. All right, well, I'm glad you guys had a great weekend. A great water park experience.
Oh man, I was soaring yesterday. Like the post mushroom tea day, I was just like, there is not a thing in the world that can bring me down. I just felt swell.
So you did that during the day, and then you went to the festival at nighttime.
Not only did I do that, but I hosted lip sync battles that night, and we crushed it.
Fucking wild.
Well, Matt and I hosted lip sync battles that night, and we crushed it.
Look at you.
Yeah.
All right. Concentrated Comedy 3. A lot of news coming out. Passes should be up by tomorrow.
Nice.
I believe so. Yep, because we're going to have our own fucking way of doing our thing, so it's taking a little bit longer. Shout out to Ben for hooking that up. Whoop, whoop. But, we will see you guys tomorrow, and join our Discord.
Cool. Yeah. Sweet. We should be getting that image soon. Hopefully soon. Artists are notoriously not good at being on time with things.
I'm so looking forward to it. He's going to shit.
Me too.
Peace out, y'all.
Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in the head like so feared not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murderers on this track to try and rock your socks. Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in the head like so feared not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murderers on this track to try and rock